I would like to share with you a day in the life of an invoice, utilizing Kofax's capture solution called Invoices and Process Director, which sits inside of SAP. Invoices can arrive via various methods, and some may still arrive by US mail. For those invoices, a human has to place them on a device to digitize them, such as a scanner or multifunction device. Once processed, the device submits the invoice image to be read to the Kofax solution, which utilizes OCR, optical character recognition. Of course, companies want to limit the amount of human interaction in an automated process, and one of the ways is to receive invoices via email, and some still use fax. Kofax's solution can monitor email inboxes and fax servers for incoming invoices. Once received, the Kofax solution automatically sends the invoices directly to the OCR solution. The OCR solution reads the invoices as a human would, then captures data such as invoice number, invoice amount, PO, and line item information. After the OCR solution reads the invoice will be submitted to a verify step. A human compares the invoice image against the OCR data to determine if they match. Normally, the first time an invoice is seen by the solution, most of the data is captured correctly. There are some fields that may need training. Once the human determines the discrepancy, training is performed, and the next time this vendor's invoice arrives, the solution will capture the data correctly. Once there are no errors on the invoices, the human can change the vendor settings to auto-verify, which allows invoices without errors to bypass the verify step. There are other ways that invoices can arrive that don't require OCR. Invoices can arrive via EDI or e-invoicing, such as Ariba or Tungsten. Kofax also offers a supplier portal that provides your vendors with an opportunity to interact with your company and utilize self-service, and spreadsheet uploads are supported in Process Director. These invoices are already data and don't require OCR, so they are sent directly to Process Director, which sits inside of SAP. As soon as the invoices are verified, whether automatically or manual, or if they're electronic invoices, they're sent to Process Director, which sits inside of SAP. If the invoice is a PO invoice, Process Director will attempt to perform a three-way match against the purchase order. It will try matching things such as price, quantity, or if required by the PO, a goods receipt. After the three-way match is performed, if the invoice matches, it can post automatically to SAP. If it doesn't match, Process Director can automatically route the invoice to the person or department that can address the exception. All the while, the invoice and the routing is visible to the AP team. For non-PO invoices, Process Director can automatically route the invoices for coding and approvals. If applicable, Process Director can automatically code the invoices too. While in workflow, invoices can be obtained via a link in an email, by accessing a browser, or directly in SAP. It's the user's preference. If the user just wants to approve an invoice, the approval can be done in Kofax's mobile app. Now let's show you this solution in a live demo environment.